In today's video, I'm going to teach you why Canva's ChatGPT plugin is completely useless. Think of this as a clear-eyed walkthrough of what the plugin can and can't do, so you don't waste time expecting it to replace a full AI assistant or a professional design workflow. First, let's talk about flexibility. The plugin's AI features are more restricted than what you get with a dedicated assistant. Conversations tend to stay shallow, which makes complex creative thinking hard. If you're trying to iterate on a nuanced brand voice, build a layered campaign narrative, or steer the AI through multiple rounds of refinement, you'll quickly hit limits. You'll also notice it leans heavily on templates. That can speed things up for simple tasks, but it often means you're nudged toward pre-built layouts instead of truly custom outcomes. On top of that, advanced prompt control is limited, so you can't reliably set guardrails, test variations, or guide the system with the same precision you might be used to elsewhere. Next, content generation. A full AI assistant typically produces more detailed writing, brainstorming, and strategy ideas. The Canva plugin struggles with long-form or highly specific content, and the outputs can feel repetitive or generic, especially when you push beyond short captions or quick summaries. If your project is research-heavy or technical, expect even more friction. It isn't designed to handle deep sourcing, nuanced explanations, or authoritative tone at length. You'll spend time revising, fact-checking, and rewriting, time that cancels out any initial convenience. Now, workflow and design. Integrating the plugin can interrupt the natural rhythm of creating. Instead of staying in a focused design flow, you hop between suggestions and edits that don't always fit your style or constraints. Many users will find they move faster by using Canva's native tools directly, tweaking typography, spacing, and color with intention, rather than wrangling AI suggestions that need rework. Customization remains limited compared to standalone AI workflows, and for professional design teams, the plugin rarely delivers a meaningful productivity boost. So, is it really useless? Not entirely. It can help beginners get quick assistance, generate simple graphics and captions, and move from a blank page to something usable faster. If you need a speedy post, a basic layout, or a starter idea, it's fine. But for advanced creators, research-driven writing, or detailed AI tasks, it falls short. Treat it as a basic support tool, not a complete AI solution. Use it for quick wins, then switch to full-featured AI or direct Canva editing when quality, control, and depth matter.